DJI has firmly established itself as a leader in the drone industry, particularly in the compact drone sector, with its highly popular DJI Mini Series. This series has not only captivated hobbyists and professionals alike, but has also revolutionized aerial photography and videography. The ease of use, advanced features, and portability of the DJI Mini drones have made them some of the most sought-after models in the drone market. Looking ahead, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to build upon this legacy by incorporating cutting-edge technology and exciting new features that promise to elevate the series even further. The DJI Mini Series has reshaped the compact drone landscape, consistently delivering innovative and user-friendly solutions with each release. A standout feature of these drones is their lightweight design, which keeps them under the 250g weight limit point. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of LiDAR technology, light detection, and ranging. LiDAR uses lasers to measure distances with exceptional precision, bringing a transformative level of accuracy to drone capabilities. LiDAR's ability to map surroundings precisely opens new possibilities for 3D modeling and mapping applications, making the Mini 5 Pro a versatile tool for professionals. Improved flight performance. Better wind resistance ensures stability in gusty conditions. Durability. Enhanced cooling prevents overheating, extending the drone's lifespan. AI technology is expected to make significant strides in the Mini 5 Pro. Advanced AI-powered tracking will ensure precision, lock onto targets with greater accuracy, enable complex shots, track fast-moving objects smoothly, ideal for action sports and wildlife videography. Real-time streaming, broadcast high-quality footage with minimal lag and on-the-fly adjustments. Filmmakers can view and adjust shots in real time, ensuring a polished final product. Rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro may boast a flight time of up to 40 minutes, an impressive leap from the 30-minute average of previous models. Despite integrating technologies like LiDAR, AI tracking, and 5G, DJI is likely to maintain the sub-250g weight, ensuring accessibility for a broad audience without compromising performance. Based on credible leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in mid-2025. This timeline gives DJI ample opportunity to refine its features and ensure the drone meets the high standards set by its predecessors. Stay tuned for more updates as DJI prepares to unveil its next compact powerhouse.